Now, one of the things that they've really prided themselves on, that's being Google, is some of the functionality. You can now go ahead and select a file, and you can drag and drop that file to whichever folder you would like to place it. Let go, and it puts it into that folder, and that's using that move type of command. And you see here at the top, cards.dxf has been moved from my drive to test folder. And then I can also click the undo and remove that and put that file right back into my drive area. Now you can also select multiple files, and if you're going to do this, select one file, hold your control button down, select another file, select another file, and then this time when we go ahead and click and drag, you'll notice that it groups all three of those files together. In the upper right hand corner, you'll notice the red 3. This lets me know that I have 3 files there. I can go ahead and drag and drop all 3 of those files there. Now all 3 of them are moved out of my drive and put into that certain folder. Once again, I have the undo possibility of just clicking that. The action is undone, and here are my 3 files that I previously selected. Just as before, you could also select these certain files, and we can click and drag, and we can move those files to one of the folders on the left side of our screen as well if we would like to, and drag and drop and let go. You'll see that here 2 files have been moved from my drive to test folder, and then I can also click undo, and that will take them out of that folder and put them right back in my drive. So a few different ways of moving your files in this grid view. Now let's go back up to the top right and go to our list view. Same type of thing, as I can actually take a file and I can drag and drop, and you'll see it minimizes the look of the file. I can drag and drop it into any one of the folders to the left side of my screen, or I can go ahead and select any of the folders in the top area of my screen where those folders are located. Once again, let go. It removes it from my drive, and I can go ahead and click on undo to remove that action and put it right back into my drive. Now you can also go ahead and select a file, right click, and we can use our move to option. If we click on move to, you'll notice it pulls up a list of all my folders here. I can go ahead and select a folder that I would like it to go to. Maybe I want it to go to marketing. I could even put it in an additional folder if it's there. If not, I can just click on move. It will remove that once again from my drive area. You'll see here at the top my note tells me it's been moved from my drive to marketing, and once again I can click undo. Now another feature that you may want to utilize is being able to move multiple files into multiple folders. Now you can either move multiple files to multiple folders or just a single file to multiple folders as you did previously. To do this, you can select your file, and what we're going to do is we're going to hold our shift button and our Z button and hold that down and keep holding it here. Now what you're going to have to do, and this is going to take maybe a little getting used to, is you're going to select the folder that you'd like it to be in, and we're going to select 3 different folders. So I'm going to go ahead and select marketing and then add, and I'm going to keep holding my shift Z button down. You'll notice it pops that same exact box up again. Now I can go ahead and put this in my sales folder, add, keep holding that shift button down, and it allows me to go ahead and put it in my test folder or one of the other folders that are inside of that. Click on add, and now if I'm done with putting it in those 3 different folders, I can let go, click on cancel, and now when I go to my 3 different folders, so before what we did is we put it in our marketing. Here's that cards.dxf, put it into sales, here's the cards.dxf, and we put it in test 3, and there's our cards.dxf. So let's just go back out to my drive, and to reiterate that, I use the move to command, which is just a right click, and then I also use the add to, which is the shift Z combination, and that will help you move files to multiple folders.